In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva free graphic and video editor. To get started, open Canva in your browser or app and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you can quickly create it for free. Once you're on the home page, look over to the left-hand side and find the Create button. Click it and a pop-up will appear. In the search bar of that pop-up, type video if you want to create or edit a video, or type a specific format like Instagram post, presentation, or flyer. Canva will automatically give you the right dimensions for that format. If you prefer something more custom, you can also choose your own size for graphics. After you've picked the format you want, click it, and Canva will open your design inside the main editor. Now let's explore the editor and timeline so you know where everything is. On the left side of your screen is the side panel. This is where you'll find tabs like templates, elements, text, and uploads. Templates are ready-made designs you can customize. Elements is where you'll find shapes, stickers, icons, lines, and even free stock photos and videos. The text tab lets you quickly add headings and styled text. And uploads is where you can bring in your own images, videos, or logos from your device. If you're working with video, look at the bottom of the screen and you'll see the video timeline. Each clip or page appears as a block. To trim a clip, click it and drag the edges in or out. If you make a mistake in the middle of a clip, you can right-click and choose Split, or use the Split button to cut it into pieces and remove the part you don't want. Next, let's add and layer elements. To add text, click the Text tab, choose a style, then double-click on the text box on your canvas to type your own words. Use the options at the top to change the font, size, color, spacing, or to add effects like shadows. To add graphics, click the Elements tab and search for things like illustrations, frames, or icons. Browse through the results and simply click or drag anything you like onto your design. If elements overlap, you can control which one sits on top. Right-click an item and choose Bring Forward or Send Backward to arrange the layers. So, for example, your text appears clearly over an image. Whenever you click on any element, notice how the toolbar at the top changes. This is where you can adjust colors, crop images, flip or rotate items, and even add animations to text or graphics for videos. Once your graphic or video looks the way you want, it's time to download it. Go to the top right corner and click the Share button. From the menu that appears, select Download. Canva will suggest a file type. For graphics, PNG or JPG works well. For videos, choose MP4. After you've selected the format, click Download again and wait for Canva to prepare your file. And that's it. You've just learned the basics of using Canva's free graphic and video editor, from starting a design to exporting the final result.